Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest insights and standout finds in personal care. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best hair growth serum for thinning hair in women. The Hair Growth Serum by Persona Beauty. Let's talk results, science, and daily use. This serum is designed to deliver thicker, fuller, and longer hair with an advanced formula centered around biotin, caffeine, castor oil, and potent botanical extracts. It's a 30 ml powerhouse that supports both men and women through every stage of hair care. Whether you're facing early signs of thinning, postpartum shedding, or general hair loss. It's a fast-absorbing, lightweight serum that sinks right into your scalp, nourishing hair follicles from the root up without any heavy residue. You can apply it daily, just a few drops massaged into a clean, dry scalp, no rinse required. It's quick, easy, and won't interfere with your styling routine. Now, the ingredients are where this product truly stands out. Biotin is well known for strengthening hair, but when paired with castor oil and caffeine, you're looking at a blend that not only helps with breakage but also stimulates inactive follicles. Add in plant-based extracts and peptides, and you've got a clean beauty solution that works across hair types: straight, curly, coily, chemically treated, or color processed. Even better, the formula is paraben-free and designed to be safe for sensitive scalps. It's a unisex product, so if your partner's also looking to regain confidence in their hair, they can hop on the routine too. Persona Beauty markets this as a high-performance tonic, and from the ingredients and formulation, it's easy to see why. You don't need to wait months to see progress either. Many users have reported improvements in texture and thickness in just 4 to 6 weeks with consistent use. And here's a bonus. This serum comes from a small business, which means you're not only investing in your hair health but also supporting entrepreneurs who are innovating clean, effective beauty solutions. If you're dealing with thinning, shedding, or just want a fuller head of hair without harsh chemicals or complicated steps, this serum deserves a spot on your shelf. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you've used the Persona Beauty Hair Growth Serum or have questions about it, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into products that truly deliver. Thanks for watching.